Hello everybody, I hope you're keeping well and staying safe at home. Now, as you can see from the display behind me, I'm in school, in the hall, and I'm all on my own. And as I'm standing here, it's very, very quiet. There's hardly a sound. I think there's a buzz of a radiator and no other sounds at all. And it makes me think of a poem that I particularly like, called The Sound Collector, by a poet called Roger McGough. And in this poem, somebody comes along, a stranger comes along, and he steals all the sounds, like the ticking of the clock, and even the scraping of the knife on a piece of toast. So this got me thinking about the sounds that are missing from our school. And I've written my own poem, my own version of The Sound Collector. And I found one or two people who you might recognise to help me share that poem with you. I hope you enjoy it.
In the early months of 2020, a stranger came to stay.
Took all the sounds from in our school
and carried them away.
The kicking of a football.
The cheering when you score.
The blowing of the whistle.
The shutting of the door.
The calling of a register.
The answering of a name.
The scratching of a pencil.
The playing of a game.
The reading of a story.
The scraping of a chair.
The giggling at a funny joke.
The footsteps on the stair.
The whispering of secrets. The ringing of a bell.
The turning of pages of a book.
The excitement of show and tell.
The singing in assembly.
The clanging of the gates.
The clinking of a knife and fork.
The clattering of plates.
The squealing in the classroom.
At the buzzing of a bee.
The crying of an upset child.
When they raise their knee.
When will all the sounds come back?
No one really knows.
At Shawley, we'll be here for you.
Through all the highs and lows.
We can't wait to be together, joining back as one, filling the school with sounds again, with laughter, joy and fun.